Hello guys, in this video I'm quickly going to show you a mail I received from Alat, which is actually Alat by Wema app. Okay, it's a Wema bank app actually. Last month I was paid 18,000 naira for referring people to Alat by Wema, and this month as well I've been sent my payment and I just received a mail now. So I want to check the mail. Let's see how much they are going to pay me this month. And I just want you guys to know that this is real and you can also make money with it. Okay, if you want to make your first 10,000, this is how you do it. Look for 3 of your friends, okay, then look for your parents, which is actually your father, mother, then look for your siblings. By the time you register all of them on Alat by Wema, you are able to get 10 of them. That's 10,000 naira. What condition do you need to fulfill? Let them register, let them download the app from Google Play Store, let them use your code to register, and after the registration let them supply their BVN and every required document, and then let them make transaction with the app. Let them deposit 1,000 like bank transfer. Let them do bank transfer into the app, then send it out again. With that, you have performed transaction on the app. And it's not just that, you still need to be making transactions on the app, of course. And when they do that, you are guaranteed to get 1,000 naira per each one of them, okay, depending on the number of people you are able to get. Currently now it's 1,000 naira per referral. It used to be 500. Currently it's 1,000, and as of tomorrow it might go back to 500, but as at this current moment it is still 1,000. Without wasting your time, let me just take you over to my phone. Let me show you the mail I received. Let's go to the app and see how much it is. So if you actually want to make money like I'm also doing, in fact I've considered this money as my monthly payment from Alat by Wema, or let me say Alat by Wema as they are paying me salary. Okay, I've seen it as a salary, and I think any other person can do the same. Okay, so without wasting your time, let me take you over to my phone. So I'm currently on my phone now, and the first thing I want to do is to show you my this mail I just received. You can see it right here. Alat, your Alat account has been credited. So I'm going to click on that right now so that we can read the content of the mail. So transaction notification, I know 15,000 naira has landed into your Alat account. Now here's what you need to know. We have the reference, my name. You can see the amount is payment to qualified hand on the go customer, and you can see my balance is 14,998. okay, so the exact amount sent to me is 15,000 naira. As you have seen, 15,000 naira has landed into your Alat account. So the next thing I will do right now is to take you over to my Alat by Wema app. Let me just go back to my phone and let me go to the app, the Alat by Wema app. I'm still searching for it. Okay, so I have it right here. I clicked on it, and let us go and see there is notification if it's actually true or not. Okay, so I have 14,998, and in order to see this, let's click on transaction history. Okay, transaction history is loading, fetching is okay. You can see payment to qualify hand on the go 15,000. Just let me click on that, and you can see 0401, that's 4th of January 2022, 15,000 naira payment to qualified hand on the go customer, December. Now this is my December payment. Okay, my December 2021 payment. Okay, your December payment will be paid in January, your November payment will be paid in December. Okay, so let me show you the other one. Let me click on transaction history again. Let me show you my last month payment. Okay, this is even lesser than my last month payment. My last month payment, you can see on the 6th of December I was paid 18,000 naira payment to qualified hand on the go customer, and this was my November payment. So my November payment was paid to me first week of December, and my December payment, which is 15,000 naira now, is paid to me first week of January 2022. So that's exactly how this works. So let me just quickly go and show you where the notification is, where they have the updates that they actually refer with referral you can earn 1,000 naira and 30,000 naira in a month. Let me just scroll. Okay, I have it here. So refer and hand on Alat, you could earn up to 30,000 naira, and 1,000 naira for each successful referral you make on the Alat app today. Okay, so this is exactly how it works. If you do decide to register on Alat by Wema app, if you have not done so, I will advise you use my referral code. It's a way of saying thank you to me, and when you do use the app, I will get 1,000 naira per each person. Just click on your profile, come to refer a friend. Here you are going to see your own referral code. Here is my personal referral code. Here I click on the copy to copy it, and then I have it in the description of this video. I also have it in the comment section. Use my referral code in the process of registration after downloading the app from Google Play Store, and then I'll be grateful you do. So just make a transaction with the app, deposit 1,000, send it out as well, and then you have it. You can see my account number is right there. So there are a lot of things you can do on the app. You can see payment, send money, airtime and data, pay bills, remitter payment, receive money, QR payment, e-bill, and lot of things you can do. These are some of the things you can tell people that you want to refer. Okay, you can also request for loan as well. Currently I don't have any loan requested for, so you can also get cards, both virtual cards and the normal plastic cards. You can request for them and you can have them. Now another thing you can do apart from the card is the savings, and you can do both personal savings and goal savings, and that is what you have. So the next thing you want to do is, how do we now take this money out? Now you can request for a card if you do have, and then you can withdraw it from any ATM of your choice. Or if you don't have a card, or maybe you have not been given a card, or you don't want to request for a card, of course you can transfer this money out from the app to your other accounts where you have ATMs, and you can withdraw them. So for you to do that, it's so very simple. You just need to click on the payment button. Okay, so clicking on payment, you can see send money, and then to bank account, local transfer to banks in Nigeria. So that's what I'm clicking, because I want to send it over to banks in Nigeria. Okay, so clicking on that is just loading up, and right here I need to select, is it input or select bank? So I need to click on select option in order to search for my Guaranteed Trust Bank account. Okay, so let me type it in. I don't want to search. Let me just type Guarantee. Okay, I have it here, Guaranteed Trust Bank, and account number. I'm going to put in my GT account number now, so that I'll be transferring this to my GT account. Okay, so it has fetched out my name. I need to click on next, and right here saying transfer to Guaranteed Trust Bank, transfer from this my account balance, and to enter the amount. Now I have 14,998. I'm going to put 14,900. okay, 14,900. okay, so now transaction remark and recipient email is optional. I'm not going to put that, so I just click on next, and right here it's still telling me transfer to from, and then amount. Then I need to put in my Alat pin. Okay, so I quickly put in my pin, and then I click on, it said you will be charged a fee of 26 naira for this transaction. I click on send money, and you can see thank you, your transaction is processing. So if you are not redirected in 30 seconds, use the refresh button below to manually check for your transaction status. So that's already sent. I'm just waiting for you to give me a successful notification, and of course I should expect it in my GT Bank account. Okay, so that's exactly how this works. You can either withdraw it to your other account, or you use your ATM if you do have one. So there are lots you can actually benefit from using this app, and that should be your main focus when you actually introduce this app to people you want to refer. 1,000 naira currently per referral is a very good thing for you to actually take advantage of this, as this is the beginning of the year and you can start accumulating money for yourself. So on this note, I'll be closing and saying to you, see you in my next video, and bye for now.